Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when we put in a new video you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we're giving free daily signals. By the way, Discord it's left only 20 people, and we will close the free joining. Telegram, yes, it's left about 500 people, but Telegram is very quickly, so make sure to join us now. Also, we're giving free daily signals there. The link of them is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today the Bitcoin fell down here and closed a red candle here. Also, we enter a short. It's hitting for us the first take profit. Still waiting second and third. It's going to hit it because that red candle will close today here. It's showing there is power is going to fall down. And here, look with me here. I'm going to zoom it a little bit to explain to you those things. Look with me here what the Bitcoin he tried to give you here. That the first shoulder, that the head. The second shoulder, it's not yet clear, but it's going to give it to us. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. That's for the short. For the long, we got here, that flag here. We showed it to you before. That one here. As you see it, till now we haven't broken above here and we haven't broken down here. So till now, as we still waiting, what's going to happen in coming days and coming hours. Another thing, very important here. Let me show it to you. Here, look with me here. If you see here, what's happening here? The 50 moving average is cross above the 100 moving average, guys. That's a very good sign. Bitcoin is going to jump up again. So what should we do now? Us here for long-term investment. For long-term investment, us we still waiting. Either the market is going to fall down here to touch that 100 moving average here. Then after that it will go up. That's the first scenario. The second scenario from here is going to go up and to break for us the top here. And also we're going to enter long. So the scenarios as we put in now, if it fall down here between 27k till 28k, we're going to buy some of the Bitcoin and I'm going to give it to you as a signal in our Telegram or in our Discord. If it's breaking here, that level here, we're going to buy again. I think picture is too clear, guys. We don't need to make the video too long here. Now let's go in to see the coming news for today, because even today we got very important news is coming. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, that the news which is coming today, we got the GDP of UK, then we got the initial jobless claim of USA plus the PPI of USA. So you need to be careful, guys, what the market is going to tell us. And here it's our friend, the table of us. As you see it, what it's telling us here, all US stocks today, they jump very high because the inflation or CPI data came today. It came very positive. Some people they said it came very negative. No, it came very positive. It's breaking 3. That's very good. So also we're still waiting. That man, the Fed, they are going to increase interest rate just one more time again because the target of them is 2%. That's very good news. And as you see it, the SP, the Nasdaq, everything is going up. That's very good news here. Plus here is our friend, is the VIX. As you see it, 13. Very good news here. The US dollar is still falling down. So everything still looking perfect, guys. There is nothing to make you scared those days. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. We don't need to make the video too long. Now let's go into 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. For swing trading, so let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. For swing trading, as we said, we got here that channel here or that distribution level here. As you see it, well, no, it hasn't getting broke up and it doesn't getting broke down. So there is no entry long, no entry short. And here, let me explain those things to you why us we enter short today. Because if you see here what the market give you here a double top here, and it's breaking the neckline here down. That way us we enter short. But the take profit for down just going to be here or here. That's why us we for now it's hitting for us the first take profit. Now us we still waiting what the market is going to tell us in coming hours and coming days. So everything's still going in our favor. But that for lower time frames, for swing trading, there is nothing new. We need to wait until the market breaking either here or either here. If it's breaking above here, we will enter long. If it's breaking down here, we will enter short. Till now, there is no entry either long or either short. So we need to wait for swing trading. Passion is the key of what? Is the key of success, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it came here. There is no power to leave it here in the place where is the bulls they controlling. Now it go back, it touching here the trend line here. Good news, he couldn't break it again down. But a very good news as you see it here. But now for us to know the market is changing from down, it need to come up and to break for us that last high, which is here, that one. Till now, nothing new. So us we still waiting, and us for swing trading, I told you we got that distribution level or that channel. It's need either to break up or either down. If it doesn't, there is no entry long, no entry short. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing as you see it. That the channel as we talking about. Our indicator, it came here, it touched here the overbought area. It's showing here like a small signal is going to fall down. Should we enter short? Not yet. It's need either to break down here or up here. If it doesn't, there is no entry. And me personally, I think it's going to stay sideways here for some time. Then after that, it's going to break because history is repeating itself every time. So us we still wait until the right time, and we're going to enter long or short. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes, you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please go ahead and smash that like button and write down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, guys, we used to have here the triangle like that from here, and that one here, and that one here. And me, I told you in yesterday video, also we are not going to enter all this after the CPI data, and that's what happened exactly. Also we been waiting till the break here happening here, then also we enter short, fall down till down here. We take the first take profit because the first take profit it was just here in the tail of that candle here. That's what we do. Now us we are risk free because the entry of us it was from here in that level. So us we moving stop loss to the break even now. So there is nothing new here as you see it. Now what we need, either the Bitcoin is going to go back to touch here, touch that trend line, then from there is going to fall down, or from here is going to give us a new price action, then also we're going to enter long. So till now also we're still waiting, guys. There is nothing new here. It's our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator as you see it is enter here to the oversold area level. Also we are in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone as you see it from here and here. Should we enter long? Not yet. There is no price action here telling us we need to enter long. And the Bitcoin always when it's falling down, not straight away. It's falling down by waves, guys, and it's going to take some time. That's what us we still waiting to hit for us the second take profit, and also we still here second take profit we got it down here. That's how us we trade, but the right take profit for that one is going to be very down, guys, as you see it where it is, where I got it. I got it at 29,705. So like that how you need to trade, like that you need to make it to come here to that one like that, the place where it's getting broke, you make it like that as you see that the last take profit is down here. So everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.